welcome back. We are at Point Pleasant Beach train station waiting for our train to come. Any minute now. Any minute. Yeah. Two trains. Two trains. There's the train coming there and the train coming there. I told you there were two trains. I saw that yellow signal. I know how to tell train signals. I'm glad we came. They're both going to arrive at the same time. We'll get back to when the train is here. And make sure to read this sign. And that's because there is a train approaching in both directions. Train. I'm coming the other way, but this train. I might want to move back because I'm wearing a hat. This guy's flying! Hopefully those people aren't wearing hats. Loud. Okay, I think that this train is departing. Let's see, yellow light there. Okay, looks like he's departing. What? There's another train coming. Okay, well these gates are going up right now. Signal down there is still yellow. Another train. Okay, the other train, I just jumped up. As you can see, that the other train is coming, if you could see. Our second train has just said hello. And so is these crossings. Make up your mind on which ditch light you want to have on. Both left or right. Don't just keep turning them on and off. Wait a minute. This was the same train that was on the bridge before. This was the same train that was on the bridge. Okay, it looks like he's departing. Both trains are nice nice and warm. There he goes. Slide gears. There he goes. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye.